And so yesterday I did a bit of a mistake on computing variables or equations with two variables. So let me correct it. Yan, so we have here an example: 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, so primarily we have to transpose yung 5 natin, lilipat natin dito. So it becomes 3x plus 2y is equal to 15 minus 5. So basically this is 10. So what we're going to do, we have to compute for the x and the y. Okay, so let me just rewrite this muna. 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, now we have to get rid of the 2y. If we are solving for x, we have to get rid of 2y. So how do we do that? We have to subtract both sides with 2y. Okay, para matanggal yan. So that we would be left with 3x is equal to 10 minus 2y. Okay, now we are only solving for x, so we have to get rid of the 3. We can do that by dividing both sides by 3. We can remove that. Therefore, x is equal to 10 minus 2y all over 3. And we can actually divide 10 and 3. Okay, and it gives us x is equal to 3.33 minus 2y. So this is now our final minus 2y over 3, I should say. So hindi natin ma-divide itong 2y over 3. So we can write it like that. That's how we solve for x. Now let's try to have yung ating y naman. So rewrite lang natin dito. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 10 kasi sinubtract natin yung 5. So what we are going to do now, we have to get rid of 3x. Automatically, this is a positive 3x, so we have to subtract both sides with minus 3x. Minus 3x. So that we can remove this one. And we'll be left with 2y is equal to 10 minus 3x. Okay? So, to get rid of 2, we divide both sides with 2 and we'll be left with y. Okay? Now, we can actually divide 10 and 2, but we cannot divide 3x and 2. So, we'll be left with y is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5 minus 3 over 2x. Okay? So, that's how we solve for linear equations with two variables. Okay, so yun lang, and I hope this would correct our mistake yesterday. So have a great morning, guys.